I have here is WattOS, which is an open box window manager, and I find it somewhat clumsy to go through multiple keys to get to the application you want to launch and so on. So I'm used to Rofi, which is the application launcher, which can be quickly triggered with key binding, and I'm going to go through with you how to install Rofi and make it look good and make it very functional today. So these are mainly for keyboard driven folks that are that's going to find it very useful. So the first thing what you have to do is install fonts dash Ubuntu and Rofi, and then quickly I usually put dash white so you don't have to enter every time. So let me just show you what I've done. And so it's simple, sudo apt install fonts Ubuntu Rofi and Y. I've installed it already, so it's already installed. And next what you want to do is go ahead and bind it to a key binding. So I find it very useful. So what I prefer is control spacebar, and that will trigger Rofi. So what you need to do is open and edit this file, which and what you'll end up is, so we'll just go through it. So Genie here, what we'll do is I'll just copy it, and then let's see if I can go ahead and do this. Okay. And then what you'll do is it'll automatically put you to the file, and look for the section where it's mainly key binding section for application, and you can go ahead and add this. It's about 7 lines here, 6 lines, and then save it. So this is why I prefer Ubuntu a font to be shown. And so what you end up after that, what you need to do is go ahead and force the openbox to read the file again. So you get simply just on a terminal openbox and restart. So then what you will end up is control spacebar. You will have this, so you can go ahead and quickly launch whatever you want to launch, and I find this very useful. So that's all I wanted to just go over.